Hi guys, so let's get started. Just about to do my center dot using one of the tools from Happy Dotting Company. These tools are my favorite tools. They're so easy to use and lightweight, which I love. They give a really nice circle, perfect circle finish, which I don't always get with some of the other tools. Now I'm about to use a slightly bigger dotting tool just for the outer layer of circles. The paint consistency for this colour is not actually great. I probably should have made it a little bit more runny, the consistency. Just FYI. Okay, so now I'm going to use my nail art tools. So that green one's actually the biggest one, but I actually decided to go with a pink tool, which is slightly smaller. So I tend to use the smaller dots when I'm doing my first ring around the bigger circles, and then I'll use the slightly bigger nail art tool. So now I'm about to use the brush. So this is the bent one. I've never used these before, so I'm interested to see how they go. So the consistency of this paint is quite thin. It's quite runny. So it's quite easy to use. If you leave the paintbrush, you know, in the one spot for like a couple extra milliseconds, it tends to kind of well up and you do a pretty good dot. I'm actually thinking that I like the nail art tools better though. Maybe because I'm more used to them, I'm not sure. Now back to the nail art tools. Now I'm using the bigger one, the green one. Now the other end, which is slightly smaller. And yeah, so you can see how much faster I'm using it compared to the brush. And the circles are a lot rounder and it's a lot nicer tool to use. I prefer them way more than the brushes. Sorry that the dot mandala has kind of gone off the screen there for a bit. There we go, that's better. And there we go, you can see that's the first layer of dots done for the dot mandala. So feel free to rewind and pause the video so you can copy it. And I'd love to see some of your work. So make sure you tag me on Instagram at jessyd.designs so I can see what you create. And there we have it. So now I'll wait for this to dry and do some top dots. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe so you can see more. Thanks guys, bye.